Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. Open in Excel Action allows you to change records in Excel, but cannot be published the changes back to Business Central. You can only save changes to Excel file, without affecting data in Business Central. Let us use the items as example. Click Quantity on Hand Column Filter. And select the action Open in Excel. The same rows and columns in Excel workbook that shows on the page in Business Central.